Hey, here we are back again. I just wanted to show you my little buddy. He does all the heavy lifting. It's actually an engine stand, and what I've done is I've taken the chain off it and instead put a hook, a 3/8 hook, so it bites into the wood. And you know, you find the middle point, and that picks up the truss. Saves me a whole lot of back work. And you can see I've already got the other end up on the building. So all I got to do is get this up high enough, pull it back, even it up, done deal. And then that's when, once I have it laying flat, you might wonder, how am I going to stand that thing up? I'm only one person. Well, then I got this other rig. It looks almost like, I don't know what it looks like. But what it is, it's about a 1/2 inch to an inch lower than the ceiling. And I slide it underneath the truss as soon as I get it high enough. And that holds it flat. And once it's on both walls and flat, then I could hook my hoist. And my hoist is up there. It's up there. I'll loosen it up, drop it down, stand this truss up. So, one person raising trusses. Hey, check out my channel, You'd Grin Too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Sure will be nice to finally have a roof on this thing. This morning you can see I stacked up the remaining trusses, and there were 7 of them. And but that's all the trusses off the floor now. And I've got the gable end ready to be sheathed. It's laying on the end wall right now, waiting to be sheathed and then stood up into place. I still have to put braces on the outside of the building, obviously, and we have to hook up a pulley system to raise it. But once that's up, then we can spread out these other 7. Right now it looks like a big dance hall now. All right, Big Red done her job. She's all done. She can go home now. All right. Big Red, yep. As I'd posted and told you about the modifications I made, I'm going to have to put this on their website. But combination of that screw, and this is called Big Red Jacks hydraulic engine hoist. Many purposes, as I found out. Thanks for watching.